Sensor diagnosis sits in two ASE areas at once. The oscilloscope tasks in Area 6A, test and measure circuits with a digital storage oscilloscope and interpret the results. And the ignition sensor work in engine performance, Area 8C. This trainer covers both on one desk: Hall, inductive, piezo knock sensor, hot film, NTC and PTC temperature sensors, plus an encoder wheel driven by a built-in generator. So crankshaft-style signals run without an engine. Students wire each sensor into a realistic circuit and read it with multimeter and oscilloscope, exactly the way the control unit reads it. Manual with complete worksheets and instructor solutions included. Position it for AST-level programs right after the electrical foundations. Remember it as every sensor a car has, on one desk, measurable.